there you have it. JB Cordoba nga po, yan. Papunta na siya sa heavyweight scale. Panoorin natin lang itong race number 2.
Racing as they settled, we have Magic Key. Very quickly restart, moving up Sambat. Last Sim, then followed by Run Like the Wind. Bain Hill, Dave, Ilocos Pride, Hot Shower Dictionary. While Strong Boy is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Magic Key, the early leader by about 2 lengths. Right there in second is Sambat. Last Sim is down on the inside. Then followed by Bain Hill, Dave, Ilocos Pride, Run Like the Wind, moving upon a young Sarat Shower, then followed over by Dictionary and Strong Boy. Half-mile distance, they traveled with Magic Key, maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead, moving upon the outside Sambat. Last Sim is down in third, then followed over by Dane Hill, Dave, Ilocos Pride, Run Like the Wind, moving upon the outside Strong Boy, Hot Shower, while Dictionary is still in behind them. Another part turn to entries by the around for lead. Sambat moves by Barangaus. Magic Key is down on the inside. Last Sim still in third, moving upon the outside. Dane Hill, Dave, Ilocos Pride likewise now closing, and as they swing for home, we have Sambat moving up to take the lead by about 3. Dropping back in second, Magic Key moving upon the outside. Last Sim, Ilocos Pride with about 75 meters of the race, and it's still Sambat. And finally, it's Sambat. Last Sim, Ilocos Pride, Dane Hill, Dave, then comes Magic Key. Run Like the Wind, Strong Boy, Hot Shower, and